Bitcoin is on fire. The cryptocurrency that started it all has once again captured the world's attention. It just hit an all-time high, breaking previous records and setting new benchmarks in the financial world. And here's why you should care. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the crypto craze, understanding the factors driving Bitcoin's surge can help you make informed decisions. Reason number 1. Institutional investors are going big. This isn't just a trend among retail investors anymore. Companies like MicroStrategy have made headlines by purchasing billions worth of Bitcoin. Their strategic moves are reshaping the landscape of corporate finance. Their total holdings? Over 330,000 Bitcoins. This massive accumulation signals a strong vote of confidence in the future of cryptocurrency. Talk about confidence in crypto. When major corporations start investing heavily, it sends a powerful message to the market. Reason number 2, political tailwinds. The political climate is becoming increasingly favorable for cryptocurrencies. With a new administration in the US, investors expect crypto-friendly policies and lighter regulations. This could pave the way for broader adoption and integration of digital currencies. Could we see Bitcoin as a national reserve? While it might sound far-fetched, the idea is gaining traction among some forward-thinking economists and policymakers. Maybe not yet, but the market is hyped, the excitement is palpable, and the potential for growth seems limitless. And number 3, Bitcoin ETFs and scarcity. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are making it easier for everyday investors to get involved. ETFs simplify the investment process, allowing more people to participate in the Bitcoin market without needing to directly purchase and store the cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's programmed supply cuts, the famous halving, keep driving up demand. Every 4 years the reward for mining new blocks is halved, reducing the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. So, what's next for Bitcoin? The future is uncertain, but the possibilities are exciting. Analysts and enthusiasts alike are speculating on where Bitcoin's price could go from here. Are we heading for $100,000? Some experts believe that Bitcoin could reach this milestone sooner than we think, driven by increasing demand and limited supply. Or is this just the start of another roller coaster ride? Bitcoin's history is marked by dramatic price swings, and volatility remains a key characteristic of the market. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from you. What do you think about Bitcoin's recent surge? Are you bullish or bearish on its future? Don't miss out on the latest in investing, business, and finance. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to IBF. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the most up-to-date information and insights to help you navigate the complex world of finance. As Bitcoin continues to evolve, so does the technology behind it. Mining operations are becoming more sophisticated, and innovations in blockchain technology are opening new doors. The global network of Bitcoin nodes is expanding, enhancing the security and resilience of the system. This decentralized network is one of Bitcoin's greatest strengths. And let's not forget about the practical uses of Bitcoin. From peer-to-peer transactions to international remittances, Bitcoin is proving to be a versatile and valuable tool. Conferences and events dedicated to Bitcoin and blockchain technology are drawing crowds from all over the world. These gatherings are a testament to the growing interest and investment in the space. Education is also playing a crucial role. As more people learn about Bitcoin and how it works, the more likely they are to invest and participate in the ecosystem. Bitcoin is even making waves in the world of philanthropy. Charities and nonprofits are accepting Bitcoin donations, leveraging the cryptocurrency's global reach to fund their missions. In developing countries, Bitcoin is providing financial services to the unbanked, offering a lifeline to those without access to traditional banking systems. The future of Bitcoin is bright, and its impact on the world is just beginning to unfold. Stay informed, stay invested, and stay tuned to IBF for all the latest updates. Join the Bitcoin community and be part of this revolutionary journey. Together, we can shape the future of finance. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a movement, a technology, and a vision for a decentralized future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.